On behalf of Expert Village, I'm Dave Barker, and I'm showing you how to assess the size, style, and shape of a squeegee. Talked a little bit about the history of the squeegee in the last one. These are both modern versions of the squeegee. Generally, you'll have a 45-degree angle, such as this right here, where it'll come out, and then you'll have a handle, so that when you squeegee down, you can almost come down parallel with the window, and it will give a good angle. You want to have about a 45-degree angle on the window when you squeegee. So a nice, comfortable motion. This is another squeegee used for a more modern method, but it's as you can see, it's straight on. The angles are different here. And this is used straight on. Sometimes you can use this with a pole or something. So straight forward, or a little bit down with a 45. So you can create your own angle with this particular handle. Most squeegees you'll be using will look like this, similar to this handle with the 45-degree angle. Okay, so it has this angle. And the next thing I'm going to show you in the next clip is how to pick your mop. And I'll show you some versions of the mop.